The Nigerian government, in collaboration with the Embassy of Hungary, have hosted the Nigerian-Hungarian Water Forum in Abuja. The high-level event marked a major milestone in bilateral cooperation between Nigeria and Hungary in the areas of water resources management, engineering innovation, flood control, and climate resilience. The forum was graced by the Honorable Minister of Water Resources and Sanitation, Engineer Professor Joseph Chelumum Utsev, and His Excellency Laurent Endefe, Ambassador of Hungary to Nigeria, and other top government officials. Professor Utsev underscores the need for innovative, scalable, and technology-driven solutions to address Nigeria's water sector challenges, noting that Hungary's renowned expertise in water engineering and wastewater treatment offers valuable opportunities for knowledge sharing, capacity building, and technical cooperation. Resource persons at the forum includes Dr. Abdul Jalal Dambaba, Director General, National Water Resources Institute, NWRI in Kaduna. We had an exclusive conversation on what this Memorandum of Understanding means for Nigeria. Take a listen.
The MOU we signed today with my Hungarian counterpart is an MOU of Memorandum of Understanding between Nigeria and Hungary. That MOU was virtually revived. It was once in existence, but now we have revived it, we have renewed it, the MOU, with the University of Technology and Economics, Budapest. So this has finally culminated. We've started discussing this since I came to office in July 2025, and we have done all the formalities and also had kind of interaction with the people in Budapest. Therefore, it's today that has culminated, that has come up in the Nigerian-Hungarian Water Forum kind of workshop that culminated into signing of this MOU. So both sides, our mother ministry, Ministry for Water Resources and Sanitation, was in full participation, and that was why the Honorable Minister was there with all the directors in the Ministry of Water Resources and Sanitation, and we had presentations. For example, myself, I was also honored to give the keynote speaker, and I discussed on a specific topic of research to practice level, and also this coincides myself. Tonight I will be joining my colleagues in Uzbekistan for the 43rd conference of the UNESCO. So initially I thought it will interfere with the signing of the MOU, but you see that it's a signing, it's morning activity, and it's later tonight that we will be heading to Uzbekistan for the 43rd UNESCO conference. I'm expecting it to mutually work through the bilateral relations. We are forming this agreement with the University of Technology and Economics in Budapest, and you know that university system generally is research based, while we are following the polytechnic system, which is the one that addresses our mandate, and therefore its combination, university curriculum as a research base, while the polytechnic curriculum is practical based, content and also quality of human resource that we are going into this. We have studied the details, and such details have a lot of good tidings, and I'm sure we in particular at the National Water Resource Institute, we will benefit very much, and at the same time we are trying to hit things in the global standard. So this is one of the opportunities of having collaboration with international organizations and with the international universities, so that the best world practices in terms of research and implementation of research will be found there. For example, one of the Hungary, one of the countries in Middle Europe, and they have also a long-standing tradition. Like some of the presentations today, he was talking about the water resources management for the last 150 years. Therefore, such country with such everlasting experience, with the number of years spent on a particular mission, definitely we are bound to learn some things from them. For the rest of West African states, in particular, the NWRI is a regional center of West Africa, category 2. The National Water Resources Institute, in particular in Kaduna, is the regional center too, that is taking care of all the West African countries. Therefore, if out of the MOU we're able to convince the Hungarian government to come up in Nigeria and establish some of our needs, not necessarily related to water resources, but including even the ridges, including other forms of agriculture that uses, for example, the hydroponic methodology. Once we have those things invented here in Nigeria, and the industry is based here, you discover that we are bound to benefit, and we are bound to be a regional center that can expand our commercialization across the West African states, of which the regional center category 2 is also the area of coverage.